Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wells Fargo account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up for paperless statements with your Wells Fargo account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want paperless statements with your Wells Fargo account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, getting physical mail can be kind of annoying because you have to have somebody scan it and send it to you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wells Fargo online dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wells Fargo account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and sign up for paperless statements, here on this top menu in white, you want to click on Accounts. Once you do that, you're going to see all these options, but you want to click on this one called Manage Delivery Preferences. It's under the Statements and Documents section. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the accounts you have with Wells Fargo, and underneath it, you're going to see this Statements and Notices. So you get to choose which one you want online only, or if you want them to be sent physically through the mail as well. For me, I have mine on online. If you want to switch all of your accounts and all of the options over to online or paperless billing, click here on Switch All to Online, and then you're going to click on Submit down here on the bottom right. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up for paperless statements with your Wells Fargo account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.